Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Would you believe that the biggest cybersecurity risk to your business lies in your email inbox? Every member of your team, including you, is vulnerable to phishing emails. These are fake emails trying to get you to click bad links or enter your login details on false sites. New stats show the most common are finance-related scams, making up 54% of attacks. That's followed closely by pretend urgent notifications, claiming passwords are expiring, or immediate action is required. Others include document and voicemail scams, fake text emails, and pretend job applications. Each one is a risk to your business. Falling victim can mean losing money and data and damage to your reputation. So, what's the solution? Stay informed, train your team, and implement strong security measures. We help businesses like yours stay safe. If you're not 100% sure you're fully protected, let's talk. That's your tech update. More next week.